Hey everyone, if you've been playing on Rainbet and you're ready to cash out your winnings, you might be wondering exactly how the process works and how long it takes to see your money. Today, I'm breaking down the payout process step by step so you can withdraw with confidence. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check your wagering requirements. Before you hit withdraw, make sure your funds are actually available. If you use the deposit bonus or a rain reward, you likely have a wagering requirement to meet. Next, you can head to your profile and check your bonus progress. If your balance is locked, you'll need to play through the required amount before the payout button becomes active. Step 2. Select your withdrawal method. Click on the wallet icon at the top of the screen and select Withdraw tab. Rainbet primarily pays out in cryptocurrency. You can choose between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and several others. Step 3. Enter your wallet address. This is the most important part. Open your personal crypto wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or an exchange like Coinbase, and copy your receive address. Paste it into the address field on Rainbet. Double check the network. If you're withdrawing Ethereum or ETH, make sure you're sending it to an ERC20 address. Sending crypto to the wrong network can result in permanent loss. Step 4. Confirm the amount and fee. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Rainbet will show you a small transaction fee which covers the blockchain gas costs. Review the final amount you will receive and click Request Withdrawal. Step 5. Verification and processing. Once requested, your payout goes through a quick security review. For most users, this is automated and takes less than 10 to 30 minutes. If it's your first large withdrawal, Rainbet might ask for quick email verification. Once approved, the transaction hits the blockchain and you just have to wait for the network confirmations to see it in your wallet. It's a straightforward process as long as you double check your addresses. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.